Every unpaid invoice is money left on the table, and time stolen from your team. Perth HVAC businesses are bleeding cash and burning hours with manual invoicing, missed follow-ups, and payment delays. It's not just frustrating, it's unsustainable. Your team should be fixing systems, not chasing spreadsheets. Web IT Magic delivers the fix. With Zoho FSM along with AI Agent, you'll auto-generate invoices the moment a job is done. Sync seamlessly with Zoho Books for real-time accounting. Send smart reminders that nudge clients, without nagging. Faster payments. Fewer errors. More time for actual work. If you can't fix the invoicing mess, Web IT Magic can. We are Perth's trusted Zoho FSM experts, ready to streamline your ops and boost your cash flow. Book your free consultation today. Let's turn payment delays into predictable revenue.